Why? Come on now.
Chuck did it? I know Chuck did it. Hold on to that. Taking off my shoes. So last time I already got him wet.
Wow. Watch a big old rock shoved right up his foot.
You're gonna do it all barefooted, huh?
Chuck, if he does this, you're gonna have to do it.
He's got nothing to prove.
Yeah. You got nothing to prove.
Oh, it probably will once.
I could do that.
I'm gonna last. I probably might fall over,
Back
like
up,
falling down the
back
hill
up.
because he's got
Back
a rock
up.
shoved up his
Top
foot.
speed.
Whatever.
Back up.
I didn't even make it last time.
That's because you
Maybe
were.
that's
That's
why
because
you
that's
should
where
back
you were.
up.
Look at that determination.
Back up.
Wait.
Yeah, this is jolting.
1, 2, 3, go! He didn't do it.
Can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
Up.
The video camera is waiting. Here we go. Dun dun dun. Oh, gee willikers.
Oh God.
I'll turn the camera off so you can cry. That was awesome.
Do it again.
How about no?
Are you dead?
No.
Are you dead?
He just
Not
had his
yet.
whole chest slammed right into it. Like,
Oh, my toes hurt even worse.
you can see the.
I'm alive. Ow!
Teresa.
Wow.